Fun start to ruin your morning coffee. More than half of Australian adults don't have a will. Not an old one that needs updating, just don't have one at all. We get it. Writing a will lives permanently on the bottom of the to-do list, somewhere between clean the gutters and cancel the gym membership. But it's a simpler job than you think. And if you put it off, the people you love get stuck with Queensland's intestacy laws, deciding who gets what with zero input from you. So let's talk about it, because yes, Empire Legal does do wills and estates, and we make it about as painless as a legal job can get. Wait, you don't do just conveyancing? We get this a lot. Our team of solicitors and experienced paralegals also help Queenslanders with simple wills, so single and couples, the foundation document every adult should have, enduring powers of attorney, EPAs, in case you can't make decisions for yourself, probate and estate administration, support for executors after a loved one passes, and advanced health directives, so your medical wishes in writing. Same friendly team, same plain English approach, just a different service. Simple wills. A will tells the world what happens to your stuff when you're gone. House, savings, sentimental things, even who looks after the kids. Without one, the Succession Act of 1981 Queensland decides for you. Spoiler, it doesn't know blended family situations or that you wanted your niece to get the vintage record collection. Fixed fee, no hourly billing, all pricing and services transparently available on our website, link in the blog, or just jump straight on empirelegal.com.au. Enduring powers of attorney. Quick question, if you had an accident tomorrow and couldn't make decisions for yourself, who would pay your bills or talk to your doctors? That's what an EPA is for. It lets you choose while you're still well, the person you trust to step in. It covers both financial and personal or health decisions. Without one, your family may have to apply to QCAT to get the right to make a decision for you. Months of waiting, thousands of dollars in cost, and a lot of stress no one needs in a crisis. You can just get a standalone EPA or bundle it with your will for a special discounted rate. We also do a couples bundle, so 2 wills and 2 powers of attorney. Probate and estate administration. If you've been named as the executor of someone's estate, first, we're sorry for your loss. Second, we know it's really overwhelming. Probate is the Supreme Court of Queensland's formal sign-off that a will is valid and that the executor can act. Most banks need it before releasing significant assets. We handle probate applications, letters of administration if there's no will, and the admin work of notifying banks, paying debts, and distributing to beneficiaries. As much or as little as you want, whole estate or just the probate application. Pricing is case by case, depending on complexity and work involved. A range of costings is again available on our website transparently. A couple of quick FAQs and then we're done. Can I write my own will at home? Technically yes, but DIY wills go wrong all the time. Wrong witnesses, ambiguous wording, missed assets. Fixing it after you're gone costs more than doing it properly the first time. How often should I update my will? Whenever life changes. New baby, marriage, separation, new home, beneficiary passes away. Otherwise, as a rule of thumb, you should aim to revisit it roughly every 5 years. Do I need a will and an EPA? Most adults do. Your will kicks in after you die. Your enduring power of attorney covers you while you're alive but can't make decisions. How about my super? Super sits outside of your estate. Your fund decides who gets it unless you've made a binding death nomination. We coordinate the two. If you own property, also it's worth a read our Joint Tenants vs Tenants in Common blog. Ready to tick it off the list? We get how this stuff feels. A bit morbid, a bit I'll do it next month, but once it's done, the peace of mind is real. Our team works Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. across Brisbane, Bayside and Gold Coast. Give us a call or book in directly off our website and we'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours with a fixed fee quote and next steps. Done and dusted, guys. Future you and your family will thank you. We've all heard horror stories about families that are stuck dealing with post office wills or the public trustee because their loved ones didn't bother to make a will. Don't be that person. It's hard enough losing a loved one. By getting your affairs in order up front, you don't leave a mess for the ones you love to clean up. Well, guys, if you've been thinking about a will, if you're like 50% of the population that doesn't have one, get in touch. We'd love to help. Empire Legal, over 3,000 5-star reviews across Brisbane and Gold Coast. See you next week. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep in mind that all advice is general in nature and does not constitute legal advice. This is authorised by George Souris, Empire Legal, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.